What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So jumping right into the video, I'm going to show you guys how to crimp your hair, and I'm going to show you two ways. The crimp style it's the style right now. Everybody's doing it, so let's get it popping. And yeah, now the hair that we're working on today, of course, is on KK's head, but the wig is from DIVASWIGS, and this is their 100% Indian virgin hair. The hair actually came pre-ombre, so it was already black going into the blondish brownish color when we received it. It's 180% density, 22 inches. The cap size is average, so probably about like 22.5 circumference, and then the lace is medium brown. Now for the crimper that I have, this pretty much makes the job like super duper easy. Get it done quick, just pull it down the hair and that's it. And I got this crimper from, I think I got it from Sally's, but you can get these from, I'm lying, I got it from Amazon. I don't know where I got Sally's from. But it is by the brand called Noodlehead. And if you guys don't know anything about Noodlehead is like, I used to use this brand when I had heat damage and I used to try to crimp my hair. So it's like kind of like white girl curly hair products type of thing, not more so natural hair, but this crimper is by them and it get the job done. So pretty cheap, and I'm gonna make sure I add this crimper or a crimper like this in my Amazon store, so you guys can go straight to Amazon through my description box and go ahead and purchase it. But like I said, you just comb the hair out, start from the root and bring it all the way down. So you do a crimp and then you pull it down, and to start the next crimp you want to add how do I explain this? To start the next crimp, you want to take the end of the crimper and start it where the last one ended. Yep, there you go. And literally you do the same method all around the whole entire head.
J. Coons on the beat. J. Coons on the beat. Coons on the beat. J. Coons on the beat.
Now for my people who don't want to buy it, don't want to go out and buy any money, and you're trying to get this look real quick right now while you're watching this video, what you can go ahead and do is get that flat iron, because I know everybody for the most part has a flat iron at their house, and I used to do this method all the time. You literally take the flat iron, start the same way you did, brush your hair out, everything, get your little piece together, and you're gonna start by pulling the flat iron out on the hair, drag it a little bit, and then push the hair down on the flat iron, drag it a little bit, and keep doing that same method, and it creates a wave. I used to do this method way before I actually had a crimper. Like I said, the crimper is a little more quicker, but if you want to get this look and you at the cribbo and you don't feel like going out to buy nothing, you don't know where to get one, you don't want to wait for it to come in the mail, get your flat iron and make it do what it do, period. Now, waves and crimps, or whatever you want to call them, are pretty much self-explanatory. But I just wanted to show you guys how we get this look really, really quick, because you know some people don't know. So this is for my people who've been wondering what to get, or which crimper to get, or how to get the look without actually having a crimper. But yeah, that's basically it. Pretty simple. Stay tuned to the very end of the video, or fast forward, it's up to you, because Michaela has a special message for you guys. But I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. KK has a special message for y'all. Yeah, she wants y'all to know that she did her edges and she put on her wig, so she learned. Okay,
I learned something while Lex was here, but I want to say I love you guys too, and I'll see you next time when I see Lex.
bye.
Bye.